Hello. To charge your Redmi Note 14, all you really need to charge it, you need the Type-C cable, and the Type-C cable comes included with your phone, but in case it damages after some time or you lose it, you'll need any Type-C cable that you have around your house. It doesn't really matter, just the Type-C cable, and as the power source, you can use your computer, for example, or the power bank or laptop, anything that basically provides power. And if you're talking about the charging adapters, on the back of the box there is this information to use from 10 watts to 45 watts charging adapter, since this phone does support the the fast charging feature. So it is recommended to use the higher wattage for your chargers. And also it doesn't really have to be original Xiaomi charger. It can be like literally any charger, like from Samsung or I don't know, some Bluetooth speaker. I, for example, use the charging adapter which came included with my Bluetooth speaker a long time ago. I do not currently have it right now near me, but I basically use any charging adapter to charge this phone, and it doesn't really matter. The thing is to use from 10 to 45 watts charging adapter, but also if your charging adapter does have more wattage, it's safe to use it, since the phone will draw only as much energy as it needs and it will not damage anything or something. So it is safe to use more than 45 watts actually. But yeah, that's basically how to charge your Redmi Note 14. Thank you for watching.